A quick update on my July vegetable garden. The potatoes appear to be dying back. They never bloomed, so I don't know if I have actual tubers. The two of my squash have just not taken off. This is a zucchini, this is a yellow squash, and it is literally 1 inch tall. It has one inch tall, maybe 1 inch, seriously. It is maybe 2 feet tall. I suspect the reason this one has not taken off is because of the wilt. It might not be, it might be affected by the wilt fungus in the soil. I'm happy with how this elevated bed is doing. I've got some nice onions forming. The melon has some baby melons. I have one melon that is, I'm going to say, about 2 to 3 inches in size right now. And I don't really see much else. There's a couple babies in here somewhere. I've spotted them here and there. And the strawberries seem to be doing okay. The parsley is okay. This happens every year also on my marigolds. The stippling on the leaves again. I don't know what this is from, but this happens to me every year. I don't know if you can see it, but there's also a lot of stippling on the leaves here. I checked the bottom of the leaves. I don't see anything. I don't see any webbing either, so I'm not sure what's causing this. The cucumber is doing really well. I have lots of cucumbers on the plant and I'm real satisfied with the way they have. I've already harvested a few. The new yellow bell pepper is doing awesome and actually looks like a bell pepper, so I think it was good to get rid of the other plant because I do not think it was a bell pepper. This squash plant, the zucchini, is doing great. And as you can see, this squash plant is doing great. And my tree forming, not too bad. The shiseido pepper has been really small. I don't know why it's saying so tiny. I added more water thinking that might be the problem, but it's still producing peppers. So I think we're doing okay. Overall, the garden's doing okay. I'm learning a lot of lessons this year. I think I overplanted. My chaos planting is not something I'm comfortable with, and I don't think I'll do it again. And honestly, I don't think I will try and tree form again. It is too labor intensive, and if the plant is happy, it is really hard to control and maintain. So I don't think I will do this again. The last update is on my dill and fennel. I think the fennel is done. I need to get it out of the ground because I think it's flowering. Maybe I've waited too long to take it out. I've been meaning to do it for over a week. And the dill is, of course, going to seed. And, I guess the predators, the beneficial insects, took care of it. I noticed there were aphids on it just the other day, and now they're all gone. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.